Adding an executive is a quick and easy process. Click on Add an Executive from your Switch Executive drop-down menu. Enter your executive's information and click Add Now. An automated email message will be sent to your executive inviting them to create their own VAST account. Set up their profile on your account by connecting to either Google or Outlook. Log into the appropriate account. If you have your executive's direct credentials, you may use them here. If you do not have their credentials, but you have share access to their calendar, use your personal credentials. Click on Continue to give VAST permission to sync with the chosen account. Select the calendars you wish to have associated with your executive's profile. If you have your executive's direct credentials or have shared permission to his or her contacts, you can sync contacts by clicking on the Contacts menu and selecting Sync Contacts. Congratulations! You have set up your account and added your executive. You may toggle between your profile and your executive's profile by using the Switch Executive drop-down menu. You are now ready to share with your executive the power of VAST. I encourage you to view our video library and to subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more how-to videos and to get valuable updates.